Create a square file. My file is 1080 by 1080 pixels. Go to View, Guides, New Guide Layout. Create 2 columns and 2 rows. The gutter should be 0 pixels. Select the pen tool. Select Shape. Pick a fill color. This can be any color you want. Select No Color for the stroke. First, create a square in the upper right corner. Create a new layer. Then change the fill color. Create 2 triangles. Create a new layer. Then change the fill color. Create a shape that fills the empty space. Go to Edit. Define Pattern. You can now delete all the shape layers. Create a pattern layer. Select the pattern you just made. Then adjust the scale. And that's how you create this pattern.